Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I'm Rajan, and on this YouTube channel I learn English and teach you what I learn. Basically, I learn and share with you so that you could improve your English with me. So if you are a serious English learner, watch this video till the end, because in this video I want to share with you 10 most useful, common and easy to use daily English sentences that will help you to speak English confidently, fluently, and without thinking in your head. So let's get started. Number 1 is how is it going? How is it going? It means how are you? Instead of always saying how are you, try this. How is it going? How is it going? Number 2, could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? If someone speaks too fast and you didn't understand that, instead of saying what, try saying could you repeat that? Could you please repeat that? It sounds more natural and polite. Number 3 is never mind. Never mind means forget about it. So if your friend made a mistake and you wanna say don't care about that mistake, you can say never mind bro, never mind, it's okay. Number 4 is I'm not really into it. It means I don't like it. I'm not interested in it. If you are not interested in something, then you can say I'm not really into it, instead of saying I don't like it, because I don't like it sounds rude and direct, while I'm not really into it sounds polite and less direct. Number 5, let's wrap it up. Let's wrap it up. It means let's finish. Imagine you have been studying for 4 hours and you wanna stop it. Then you can say, hey bro, let's wrap it up. Number 6, that makes sense. It means I understand. When you understand something, then you can say that makes sense. Number 7, catch you later. Catch you later. Instead of saying goodbye, saying catch you later. Number 8 is I'm just kidding. When you are joking, then you can say I'm just kidding. And number 9, I will let you know. I will let you know means I will tell you later. So for example, if your friends invites you to your birthday party and you are not sure about that, you can say I'm not sure about that, I will let you know. Number 10, I will get right on it. It means I will do it. Imagine this, your boss asks you for writing an email, then you can say I will get right on it. It means I will do it. So these are the 10 most useful and very easy to use daily English sentences that you can use to speak faster, confidently, and fluently. So now I've got a challenge for you. Write down which sentence was your favorite one in the comment box. If this video helped you or you learned anything from this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Catch you later.